Welcome to the Make Money Strategies channel, where we unveil lucrative opportunities that could transform your financial landscape. Today's video is an exclusive guide on how to dive into a business with an underrated product that has raked in a staggering $270,000, all while facing minimal competition. Stick around as I reveal the secrets to kickstarting a similar venture with the assistance of AI. From generating ideas in the blink of an eye to crafting a polished final product, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned because I have a trick up my sleeve to ensure you not only stand out, but also maximize your earnings. Get ready to take notes as this video is unlike anything you'll find on YouTube. Now, let's jump straight into the heart of the matter. Printable flashcards for kids' education. These flashcards provide an engaging method for children to learn by associating images with relevant words, covering topics such as animals, shapes, numbers, and colors. A quick search on Etsy reveals a demand for printable flashcards coupled with surprisingly low competition. As indicated by the chart, the product is on the rise, making it an opportune moment to delve into this trend. The beauty of this business idea lies in its versatility, with sellers offering flashcards in various niches and styles. Whether it's farm animals, alphabet flashcards, or shape matching, the possibilities for making money with this concept are limitless. Taking a peek at Etsy listings, we observe numerous stores amassing consistent reviews, a clear indicator of robust sales. Picture this, a store making around $6K a month, accumulating over $200K since its inception. Another store pulling in $2K per month and crossing the $70K mark. The best part? Limited competition, making it a breeze for you to secure sales. Stick around for the ingenious trick I'll unveil later in the video to elevate your sales game. Now, let's navigate through the process of creating these sought-after flashcards. It all begins with brainstorming ideas, and there are two approaches. The first involves manual scrutiny of competitors' Etsy listings, examining details like the number of cards, style, images, descriptions, and reviews. This information is invaluable for standing out by crafting a superior product. The second, my personal favorite, is to automate the process using ChatGPT. I engaged ChatGPT to generate 10 flashcard ideas in the animal niche, complete with detailed descriptions. The result? A treasure trove of cool ideas, including animal names, animal sounds, baby animals, and more. This streamlines the ideation process, making it efficient and effective. Considering the success of baby animals on Etsy, let's run with that idea. Copy and paste the chosen concept into ChatGPT, generating a set of unique ideas. With the product idea in hand, it's time to transform it into a finished product. The focal point, creating illustrations for the flashcards. When it comes to AI image generators, my top recommendation is Midjourney. It not only offers unparalleled customization options and image quality, but is also budget-friendly. With the 10 plan, you secure full commercial rights for image usage. Now, for the intrigue, a comparison with free alternatives to Midjourney. The prompt subject, a dog with a puppy, style, Disney cartoon, customization, white background. Midjourney delivers a professional-looking illustration. As for the free alternative, well, I won't force you to witness that. The choice is yours, but Midjourney undoubtedly stands out. Repeat the process until all illustrations are complete. Moving on to the exciting part, designing the flashcards on Canva. Did you know Canva offers a free tool for creating printable flashcards? A quick search for Canva Flashcard Maker on Google will lead you to it. Upload the illustrations created with Midjourney, choose a template, and start the design process. Canva Pro users can remove backgrounds with a single click, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Adjust sizes, choose colors, and customize fonts to your liking. Congratulations, you now have the main flashcard, featuring illustrations and word labels. But wait, there's more. Create 2 additional versions, one with only illustrations, and another with word labels. Save the templates as a PDF, hit print, and voila! You've successfully crafted your printable flashcards. Now, here's the game-changing marketing trick to set you apart and boost earnings. Take a glance at your competitors. They typically offer bundles of flashcards. To truly stand out on Etsy, provide extra value. What's the secret ingredient? Offer something for free. Coloring pages in the same niche as your flashcards. Generate these coloring pages using Mid-Journey or alternative tools, enticing customers with high-quality freebies. Let's explore the steps and additional perks you'll enjoy as a result of following this comprehensive guide. Step 1. Diversification of product offerings. One significant benefit of this strategy is the ability to diversify your product offerings. By creating unique designs and pairing them with the freebie coloring pages, you're not just limited to flashcards. This diversification positions you to cater to a broader audience with varied preferences, increasing your chances of attracting more customers. Step 2. Building a strong brand identity. Through this guide, you've not only learned to create a product, but also discovered the importance of standing out in a competitive market. The inclusion of coloring pages as a free bonus sets your brand apart. Over time, this consistent delivery of value can contribute to building a strong brand identity, making your store memorable in the minds of potential customers. Step 3. Maximizing profits with upselling. Imagine the scenario. A customer visits your Etsy store for a set of printable flashcards and discovers the enticing offer of free coloring pages. This not only seals the deal for the flashcards, but also opens the door for potential upselling opportunities. You can introduce premium bundles, additional themed sets, or even personalized options, maximizing your profits with every transaction. Step 4. Positive customer reviews. As your customers receive their orders, the added value of free coloring pages is likely to leave a positive impression. Satisfied customers are more inclined to leave glowing reviews and share their pleasant experience with others. It can significantly boost your store's credibility and attract a steady stream of new customers. Step 5. Long-term passive income. The beauty of creating digital products like printable flashcards is the potential for long-term passive income. Once your designs are set up and listed on platforms like Etsy, they can continue to generate sales with minimal ongoing effort. This passive income stream allows you to focus on expanding your product line or exploring new business ventures. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on turning an underrated product into a lucrative business using AI and smart marketing tactics. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.